Is this the peachiest recipe ever? Peachiest, buddy, not preachiest. He's very popular.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a peach and burrata salad. You guessed it. This episode is rated PG-13. Let's get to it. What's the best bread in Princess Bride? The Pita Despair. As you wish. Let's make some pita crisps. Preheat your oven to 425. I'm using this guy. Breville gave me this. Look at it. It's a new oven. You could say that I'm a Breville without a cause. Ooh. It's fine. Let's make some pita chips. A little bit of olive oil on this. Brush your pita with some olive oil. A little bit of kosher salt on top.
Yeah, kosher salt.
A little bit of oregano. I say yes to oregano. A little bit of garlic powder also. Now we're gonna cut this into 8 pieces. Yep. Put it on the thing. Woo. Now get those nice and toasty boasty. My nose is itchy. New toy. If you want this really cool onion? If you want this really cool oven, not onion, check out my description. There's a link. Yes. Yes. Oh, look, it's the cat. Hello. Breville. Pita chips, and it took like 5 minutes in there. It's crazy. Let's get dressed up. Maybe like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Yeah. Splash of white wine vinegar. White wine. Quit your whining. 1 clove of garlic. Ooh. Make sure you get fresh garlic. You don't want that jarred garlic. It's only good for one thing. Good. Always fresh at Tim Hortons. Moving on. It's a good looking lemon. Hey, Kano wins. What are you talking about? A little lemon zest in here. I'm the zest around. You're the zest around. Nothing's ever gonna bring you down. Lemon zest. Whoop. I'm the court zester. I'm also gonna do the juice of half a lime. I like lime juice because it's very limey. Stop it. Things are working out. We're working out. Hey, we're having a good time. Shallot. Dice your shallot. And if you really want to get crazy, you can 20-sided dice your shallot. Leo attempts to make a salad. Critical fail. Well, that's not so bad. Dice your shallot. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, thank goodness. I thought I was running out of thyme. Couple sprigs of thyme. Only use this ingredient if you have enough time. Can't all be winners. What do you call a herb that tells really good jokes? Dill Farrell. What do you call a Canadian herb that does really good voiceover work? Dill Arnett. Dill goes in. No big deal. I'm also going to add in a pinch of salt. Whoop. Little crinkle fruche. And a pinch of gochugaru. Now give it a good mix. Dressing complete. Make sure you get baby tomatoes. You don't want midlife tomatoes.
Look at me, I'm a young tomato.
Have these tomatoes. Get back there. Colorful tomatoes. Oh, good. Peaches, 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 peaches. Oh, that's why it's an emoticon. Look. No, it doesn't need to be censored. Wash your peaches. Ooh, peaches are good. Peach break. I like peaches. Peaches, 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 peaches. Stop eating peaches. Dice up your peaches. Or 20-sided dice up your peaches. Leo attempts to make a salad. Good peaches. Come on. Just come on. Ah! Basil. Look at the size of this one. Goodness. Slicing up my basil. Ooh, basil goes in. Put about half the dressing in here and then give it a good mixing. That's all it is. Just give it a nice mixage. This episode is Burrata to you by... Put that in the center. Burrata. Oh boy. Ah! Tear some burrata. Ooh, it's everywhere. Oh yeah. Then we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of that oil on top, basil on top. Little freeshy. Ah, a little finishing salt on top. We're gonna put a few of those crackers. Peach and burrata salad. Fun. And now I put you in my face. A little bit of everything, a little bit of everything. Peaches are so good. Peaches, 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 peaches. Summertime. Peaches are good. They're so fresh. Bye, friends.